channel. Greetings to you. If this is your first time, you're so welcome. Come along with us as we visit a special place in Saudi Arabia. This is actually a fish restaurant we came across when touring, so we decided to try out the fish because I like fish. I've not been able to see the kind of fish I like since I came here. One that I even saw here, I don't really know the name, but we just wanted to try out the new experience and everything. And I found out that here you have where married couples sit and eat. The single ones, you're not meant to sit together, you're not meant to be exposed. So this is the place they directed us to wait for the food. We are coming here, it looks more like a toilet for me. Sorry about that was what I was imagining, but seeing how they beautified everything, it makes it so special and it's so unusual to us, something that we are not used to. Experiencing other people's culture is really so beautiful. So join us today as we'll eat and have a nice moment. What is it called? That this thing. That yellow one. We bought from the other. This restaurant, and mainly most of their restaurants where you can eat food and fish like this, there is no chair to sit down. It's just an unusual something for me and quite an experience, because majorly sitting on the floor is their thing here. Like they're just used to it, although in major places I know you'll find a seat. What is that one? That's a color.
What thing is nothing?
That's a color.
One funny thing is don't be
If I eat the rice, I eat the fish. I'm okay.
Supposed to actually be stew for you.
You can put on your side for let me taste from your side. When my husband eats this food with no single fear. I wanted to taste before I turn my I don't want to eat what I won't like, but it wasn't bad. In here you have just a grated garlic, ginger, grinded tomatoes. It's just natural what they added in. I needed to just taste a little bit before I will know whether it's what I will continue with or something I'll just leave. I was only avoiding not to get poached because of the mix. Well, I won't lie, the food tasted so nice, with the fish most especially because I like fish. This one tasted nice. All the dish was so special, and everything went well. Yeah, we enjoyed coming here and the experience was quite a beautiful one. This is me. I made sure I ate all the fish. I left only the bone. At this point, we are done eating, heading home.